everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I am here to make a glitter mix for my freestyle glitter group swap. Hey there, if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so you can stay up to date on all my latest videos. And if you like this video, make sure to like it and share. Please share. Sharing is caring. I greatly appreciate it. Okay, you guys, here is the final result. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please stay tuned for more videos to come. Right here, I'm just doing a swatch of the glitter mix so you guys can see how it looks on a nail. Because I know a lot of people like to see how it looks on a nail. And also, I'm still waiting on a few more swaps to come in the mail. Once I receive them all, I will send them out, and I will try to contact everybody and give you guys your tracking numbers. So please be patient, and thank you all for watching. Stay tuned. Until next time, I'll be seeing y'all. Bye. Adios.